Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to break your goals into actionable steps learning with mp3.Academy. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you take your big ambitions and break them down into manageable, achievable steps. When goals feel overwhelming, it's easy to lose motivation, but by turning them into smaller, clear actions, you'll find it easier to make consistent progress. At mp3.Academy, we provide the tools and guidance to help you stay focused, organized, and motivated as you move forward step by step toward your dreams. Let's dive in and explore how breaking down your goals can make the path to success clearer and more attainable. Breaking your goals into actionable steps is one of the most effective ways to turn your ambitions into reality. At mp3.Academy, we focus on helping you transform big, overwhelming goals into smaller, manageable actions that you can tackle one at a time. When you break down a large goal, it becomes easier to see what needs to be done and in what order. This step-by-step approach helps you stay motivated and reduces the likelihood of feeling stuck or overwhelmed. By taking consistent action, you'll start making progress that leads directly toward achieving your long-term goals. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. One of the key benefits of breaking your goals into smaller steps is that it helps you gain clarity. Large goals can often seem abstract or too distant to know where to start. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to dissect your goal into clear, defined actions that guide you from one stage to the next. This clarity allows you to focus on what needs to be done today, rather than being overwhelmed by the final outcome. With a clear path laid out in front of you, it becomes easier to make progress without getting lost along the way. Another powerful benefit of breaking your goals down is that it helps you build momentum. Small steps may seem insignificant at first, but they quickly add up. At mp3.Academy, we encourage you to celebrate every small victory along the way because each step brings you closer to your larger goal. This forward momentum not only keeps you motivated, but also helps you build confidence in your ability to achieve your objectives. The more progress you make, the more inspired you'll feel to keep moving forward. When you break your goals into smaller steps, it also becomes easier to track your progress. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of measuring your achievements as you go. By setting milestones and regularly checking off tasks, you'll be able to see tangible evidence of your success. This sense of accomplishment reinforces your belief in your ability to reach your final goal. Tracking your progress also allows you to make adjustments along the way, ensuring that you stay on the right path even if challenges arise. Breaking down your goals into actionable steps also helps you manage your time more effectively. Instead of trying to tackle everything at once, you can prioritize smaller tasks that fit into your daily schedule. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to create a realistic timeline for each step, allowing you to make steady progress without feeling rushed or stressed. By focusing on one task at a time, you can give each step the attention it deserves, leading to better results in less time. In addition to improving time management, breaking your goals into steps helps you overcome procrastination. When a goal feels too large or intimidating, it's easy to put it off indefinitely. At mp3.Academy, we guide you through the process of breaking down even the most daunting goals into manageable tasks that don't feel overwhelming. This approach removes the mental barriers that lead to procrastination and helps you take immediate action. Once you've completed a small step, you'll feel more motivated to tackle the next one. Breaking your goals into actionable steps also allows for greater flexibility. Life is full of unexpected changes, and it's important to be able to adapt when necessary. At mp3.Academy, we show you how to create flexible plans that allow you to adjust your actions as circumstances change. By having a clear understanding of each step, you can easily shift your focus when needed without losing sight of your overall goal. This adaptability ensures that you stay on track, even when obstacles arise. Another benefit of breaking your goals into steps is that it encourages continuous learning. Each step provides an opportunity to learn something new, whether it's a new skill, strategy, or perspective. At mp3 Academy, we encourage a growth mindset, where every action is seen as a chance to improve and refine your approach. By breaking your goals into smaller actions, you give yourself the space to learn and grow throughout the process, leading to both personal and professional development. Breaking your goals down also fosters accountability. When your goals are divided into clear steps, it's easier to hold yourself accountable for making progress. At mp3 Academy, we recommend setting deadlines for each task and tracking your progress to stay accountable. You can also share your goals with a mentor or accountability partner who can support you along the way. Having a clear action plan not only makes it easier to stay on track, but also gives you a sense of responsibility to follow through on your commitments. In conclusion, breaking your goals into actionable steps is a highly effective strategy for achieving success. At mp3 Academy, we provide the tools and guidance needed to help you break down even the most ambitious goals into manageable tasks. By gaining clarity, building momentum, tracking progress, and staying flexible, you can create a clear path toward your objectives. This step-by-step approach helps you manage your time, overcome procrastination, and stay accountable for your progress. Whether you're pursuing personal growth or professional success, breaking your goals into smaller steps ensures that you stay focused and motivated on your journey.